In 3DSleigh carried out virtual and real tests to guarantee the best design option. Evaluating its duration allows them to know when and where a failure can occur. Doing this test physically can be very expensive and have an impact on delivery times. Even collecting all the data for a virtual test can be overwhelming and time-consuming, especially when design and analysis tools are offline. The 3D Experience platform offers connectivity between your designs created in the cloud and your desktop simulation tools. With Designer for SolidWorks, you get secure remote access to design data along with additional simulation and manufacturing tools. 3DSleigh is working to make their slate design fully aerodynamically functional for customer satisfaction. With a speed of up to 400 km per hour, it is essential to avoid turbulence that could harm Santa Claus travel experience and thus guarantee safe behavior. The first thing they did was define the ambient conditions through the wizard. The size of the simulation volume they selected would yield more accurate results than they wanted to test. They ran the analysis. They select the flow paths and can visually see how the air will behave against their design. Once they have the result, they save them on the 3D Experience platform so that they were available to different departments that needed to check the results. For those users who did not have desktop SolidWorks flow simulation tools, they uploaded a media file through the 3D Swim app to keep communication effective and accessible to everyone. 3DSleigh team can make better informed decisions through the good results of the aerodynamic analysis to reach the safety requirements and expected behavior of the model.